so let's now cover vertical pulling with a cable machine. So here at Los Angeles City College in the weight room, we actually have two of these, which are called free motion machines. Free motion really references these arms are 100% adjustable. I can move this arm in a variety of different ways. In fact, I can move both arms in a variety of different ways that allow me a tremendous amount of flexibility when I'm setting up a piece of equipment for a variety of uses. Instead of having multiple cable machines, we essentially can have a small footprint in the weight room that does multiple things, so it's a little bit, creates more flexibility for us from a space standpoint. So with the vertical pulling, what I want to do is obviously I'm going to stack this up as high as it goes, so it's at the tippity top position. I'm going to make sure that it's in relatively narrow, so I can grab my hands up here. I'm grabbing what's called an Airex pad, these blue pads. We have a bunch of these in the weight room. And I'm going to kneel on this. So put it directly underneath. I grab my handles here. And I'm going to sit down. I'm going to sit down right on my rear end. And I'm going to do my lat pull down with the cable machine. Now, with this dual cable machine, I have some flexibility to also try a few different variations, such as reciprocal, or alternating, or if I want, I can just do a unilateral lat pull down, which offers variation. A couple other things I can do. I can do a half kneel. So now one leg's down, one leg's in front. Similarly, you can do all the same kind of patterns and variations. So it gives you a tremendous amount of flexibility. Now the question you may have is, well, what if you're so strong that the weight is pulling you up? If you're that strong, gotta move over to the pull-up bar. There's nothing we can do about that. You'll notice that in some gymnasiums there'll be a lat pull-down machine, which we don't have in this one, where there's actually a knee pad that goes over your knees to prevent you from being able to pull yourself up. But the reality is, if you're strong enough that you need a blocking mechanism to prevent you from pulling yourself up out of the chair because the weight is so heavy, got to get on you should be doing pull-up and pull-up variations.